In this video we are going to see how to create this Photoshop banner. Fine. Now to follow along I will leave these images and the font in the description so that you can follow along with me. Fine. Now to create document, press Ctrl N. Note the height and width, which is what, 1080. Click on OK. The next thing what we need to do is, let's unlock this layer and press U. Once you press U, the rectangle will be highlighted. Let's create a rectangle. Make sure the fill, let the fill be somewhat like 8, and press drag, click and drag, Ctrl T, press Shift and Alt, make it little smaller. Cool. Once this is done, press V again, Alt drag, press U. Now remove the fill, place this below, and let's change the color to somewhat like blackish. Okay, sorry, press V again. We don't need this rectangle. No, we need this rectangle. We don't need this rectangle. Let me delete this. Ctrl J again to duplicate. Press V, just drag it one more time and just keep it in this place. Now let's place the image. File, click on file, then you will find place, and I have downloaded this and placed it in the folder. Now click on tick mark. You can hover this and press Alt, and you can see this cursor change to somewhat and the pointer type. Click on it. Once the cursor turns to the the pointer type, you just have to click it and then it will be clip masked, or else the other option is right click it and get into the clipping mask. Cool. Now let me group this, Ctrl G. Now let me group this as well. Now let's type the text. The font we are going to use is Montserrat, type T, and let me type my channel name. And if you want, you can increase the font weight in this way, or Ctrl T, just Shift and Alt drag. Cool. Press V, use the down arrow, press V again and press Alt, just drag for duplicate. You can type and change text to music. Yes, I see. Okay, great. The same, Ctrl T, press Shift and Alt and drag, and you got it. Now press V, select this music, click over here. You will find stroke, and I want the stroke to be on inside. Cool. And if you want, you can change the color as well. Select the brownish black, click on OK. Now select this and use the fill as none. Now you can see only the stroke available. Cool, that is what we need. Now I don't think much is most of the thing is completed. Now let me type the channel name .uimonk.com, select all, and let's change this to medium, and edit, transform counterclockwise 90°. Cool. Now press V, place this over here, Ctrl T again, double click. You can change the color to yellow, and you can reduce the font size as well. I'm leaving this to you. Press V, and here you go. Now you got it. And again, this kind of shape is also really simple. First group all this, press U, sorry, press V, and press U now. Select the rectangle. Now let the fill be none. Let let the fill be black and the stroke be none. Press U again. Let's select a rectangle. Press V. Press Alt. Press drag. While dragging, make sure to press Shift so that it doesn't go up and down on the in the straight line. Now Control D again. If it does not work, press V again. Press Alt. Drag. Make sure to press Shift. Cool. Now select these three and press V, Alt, dragging time, press Shift. Great. One more time. Alt, drag, press Shift. Cool. Control D if it doesn't work. The same way. Alt, drag, Shift. C, press V. Cool. Now select all the rectangle and press Control E. Control J to duplicate. Press V and place one rectangle over here. Control J to duplicate. Press V and keep one over here. Now you can change the color. Double click on this different shape which is available over the layer. Now press Control J, press V, and just drag it and place it whichever place is convenient for you. So I believe the scope of this video is done. Now you just need to make some alignment, and that's it. Thank you for listening.